like to thank you for inviting me to attend this great ceremony, not only for Nigeria, but also for Africa and the world. I'd like to salute with respect my the former First Lady, great to accept to attend this ceremony. I'd like to greet all my colleagues, President Tinubu, and others to accept as part of the agenda to attend this ceremony. I'd like to greet also and to thank warmly the Goodluck, our friend, distinguished friends. I would like to thank you, all of you, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to just Ebele is my best friend in the world. Because our destiny are crossed since where at the stop of our two states, the Nigeria and Benin Republic. I told him that I used to tell him and to tell to the other president of Nigeria that Benin is the third civility of Nigeria. We were land and we continue to be land. It's why here, Ebele, and thank you very much. I'd like to bring also Mr. Wike, my sister, and the others of the foundation. Thank you for what you are doing to support my friend, because the international legitimacy of the foundation now is known by everybody in the world. I repeat, I know him, he knows me, the president. He is a humanist. For Africa 2063, what we want where stability, security, and shared governance reign. We can achieve this without education, which is a lever for democracy and economic development. I welcome this initiative of the foundation, whose international legitimacy is now established. Thank you, dear friend, Jonathan. Thank you, Mon, the former First Lady. Thank you to the staff of the foundation again. Allow me to share some point on the importance of this day. As leaders, we have a responsibility to ensure that our education systems are increasing, equitable, responsive, and local realities. A functional education is one that prepares our young people to be engaged citizens, competent professionals, and ethical leaders. It is the engine of economic, social, and political progress. Likewise, creating effective political leadership is crucial to achieving Africa's development aspirations. We need leaders of vision, integrity, and courage, capable of transcending tribal, ethnic, and religious division to serve the common good. These leaders must be prepared to sacrifice their personal interest for the good of the nation, like emblematic figures such as Wike